massively cut in between them. Oh my god. We're trying for the overtake on the outside line. Yes, and we've overtaken them. We are now in pole position. And it's go, go, go under the low bridge. As we hear the spooky ghosts and ghouls from Monster House Monster Party featuring monsters. Monsters. Or Hex Jr., as we like to call it. We are cruising. Which you can't really do at the minute because of COVID, but whatever. This is a sharp turn. Will I make it? Yes, I will. Oh. So this is what do you do when your electric boat dies? You put a Lego guy in it, put a little motor on the back, and put it over there. House, house, house. There's lots of squirrels at Legoland today. Oh look, LED elephant is over there and she is blowing her trunk. I didn't take a very good line here. He's having a nice chilling out time, isn't he? Do you reckon he knows the people at Polar Express?
What's going on? Has anyone found the missing animals?
Chill out, Chief. We're just having a nice time.
Okay, cool, yeah. Oh, we are well ahead of the pack. Low what? Low brick? Low self-esteem? Is it? Well, that's good. Oh, apparently there's a bridge over there. It says bridge over there. It's not a bridge.
This is Kirsty Walker reporting live for LEGO City News. Chief, once again, the Coastguard has everything under control. How did you do it?
Well, it was tricky, but I couldn't have done it without the help of our new recruits. Good work, everyone.
Cheers, mate.
Please remain seated until our team asks you to leave your boat.
Well, I'm probably going to end up hitting this blue boat. Which side do we go? Left or right? Left or right? Left or right? I'm going to go right. No other... Oh. And your winners, me. And we're done.